Hey, it's Kip here. Well, today we're going to bring you guys up to date on where I'm at with my do-it-yourself 80-quart kettle corn popcorn maker. That's a mouthful to get out. But anyways, guys, I've done tons of research, and there's a lot of manufacturers out there that make these for you to buy for a couple grand a piece. But in my first video, as you've seen, I wanted to do it for like under 500 bucks. We're going to get to the numbers probably in the next video or two, but today I'm just going to show you where I'm at. This is not completed. It is in the form that it's in. You can actually use it. I haven't done any test batches yet, but it throws flame. It will pop corn, I'm sure of it, but everything is tack welded. There's no sheet metal yet, and it's not painted. So I just want to show you guys where I'm at with this. Mechanically, it is all done. I just need to finish welding all the welds. The thing is with this, I had to figure out the height. And we're going to get into that. I'm going to show you some dimensions, what fits me. And I'm about 6 foot tall, so I'm a pretty big dude. So I wanted to get the height right, because I don't want to pay $1,000 for a paddle monkey or a self stir, electric stir. And I'm going to use a conventional wooden paddle to pop my corn. So with no further ado, guys, I'm going to pull the camera down and try to get some measurements, show you how the flame works, show you how my pilot system works. Just try to make this a quick video to show you where we're at. This is basically a part 2 of a series, and then down the road we're going to do some first pops, if you want to call it that. We're going to pop some kettle corn. We're going to do some regular kettle corn. We're going to do some caramel kettle corn too. I found a local distributor within an hour of me that actually grow mushroom style popcorn right here in mid-Michigan, so that's going to be cool. We're going to bring that to you in the next upcoming or 2 videos. So anyways, guys, let's move the camera. Let's get you some measurement details, show you how I did my pilot system and how the flame, all that came together. And we're definitely going to be well under the $500 mark. Like I said, where it's at now, it's just tack welded. There's no paint and there's no sheet metal yet. I haven't quite decided how I'm going to approach a sheet metal part, but let's get into the video of the dimensions and how the fire system works. So let's move the camera. All right, guys, let's do a quick walk around video. A lot of manufacturers, that sell these, they give you some dimensions. They don't get really specific. I did some trial and error trying to build this to my size. Like I said, I'm about 6 foot. So stirring this with a wooden stir paddle, that's how I'm going to do it. I'm not saying down the road I might make a power stirrer or a paddle monkey or whatever they want to refer to them as. But for now, I'm going to use a standard wooden paddle, a 4-foot paddle. And I'm just going to do a quick walk around. This framework is all 1.5 inch square tubing. I got a good deal on it. As you've seen in the first video, there is some 1-inch tubing down here that hold the burner. It's basically all that is we're going to open this up here in a minute and show you the pilot system. It's a turkey fryer burner, cast iron turkey fryer burner. If you own a turkey fryer, most likely you have this burner. These springs here are garage springs. I think they're like an assist spring. You get them at Home Depot. These are the orange ones. I think they're 70-pound rated. I cut them in half. So basically I got 4 springs out of 2. They work really well. Just some 3/8 grade 8 bolts holding them on. I do have lock nuts I'm going to put on these. For now, this is just tack welded everything. I want to get the height right. These are the casters we talked about. They're 5 inches. The top of the machine, or top of the framework I should say, as you can see here, is 30 inches. The length this way, the way I designed it, is 30 inches. And the width this way, you're looking at 31 inches. This is obviously an 80-quart kettle, like I've showed you before, Hobart kettle. And we'll go over my gas system. The pilot system I have working, but I'm going to define it a little bit better. I got to get to my buddy's place that's got some scrap propane furnaces, and I actually want to get an actual pilot. I don't know what you want to call it, a ferrule or an actual piece that's made for a pilot system for propane. This is just out of the 1/4 inch copper tubing, so it's just a regular flame, but it works well. So there are the measurements, and let me put this tape measure away here. All right, and this is extended out about 1 foot, so it gives you something to pull on. Those springs work really well. These here extend out 6 inches. That gives it the leverage. And then as you can see down here, I extended the casters out 6 inches because of the weight of this so it doesn't tip. And there's the turkey fryer burner. And basically all I got is a 20 psi regulator going right into the brass. Now this is all going to be fixed onto the sheet metal once I get to my sheet metal. I have a brass pilot system here. Basically it's just a small valve that you can control up and down how you want your pilot. As you can see, it's not a nice blue flame. That's the unit I want to get out of, like an old furnace or something. So it'll actually be a jet, like a pilot jet, so it'll actually be a nice blue flame. And this is the actual main gas valve that you can turn on and off. As you can see. Pretty simple, guys. This is 3/8 brass tubing. Standard little 3/8, actually it's a 1/4 inch ball valve. And this here is a 1/8 inch ball valve. 1/4 inch line down here for the pilot system. Basically that's it, guys. That's where we're at. Just wanted to bring you up to currently where I'm at on this unit. I think now at the height that it is, everything's tack welded. I'm going to pull everything back apart. I'll probably do some test batches first to get a feel for it. And then I'll pull everything down. I think I'm going to go with regular sheet metal, like a 14 gauge or 16 gauge. I was going to use aluminum diamond plate, but it's really expensive. It's all stainless steel. And, you know, I want to keep the cost down. Now, if I just go with sheet metal, see that shuts really, really nice. There's not much weight to it at all. So yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Let's continue this video. But basically, finish welding everything. Sheet metal, paint. You know, I would love to powder coat it. That's probably not going to happen because that'll add cost. You know, you can buy engine paint pretty reasonable, and that's probably what I'll use, just some kind of engine paint. So anyways, guys, let's finish out this video. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm real excited about this build. Like I said, do-it-yourself builds. I love doing stuff like this. It's fantastic, and I love to share the knowledge and stuff that I've learned from doing it to my viewers and stuff like that. Maybe it can help you guys down the road. But anyways, guys, stay tuned for upcoming videos of me popping some kettle corn. We're going to have some fun with this. Like I said, I might do it to make a buck. I don't know yet. We'll see what happens with that. But stay tuned for upcoming videos. We got some barbecue videos coming up. We got other do-it-yourself type videos. I got a lot of things in my mind that we're going to be doing together. And I hope you guys stay tuned and continue to watch my videos, like and share my videos. If you're not a subscriber, please smash that subscribe button now. And stay tuned for upcoming videos. Anyways, guys, like I've always said on this channel, you never know what's next. So stay tuned, and hope to bring you some good quality videos, some learning videos, stuff like that. Stuff that I like. That's what I've always done with this YouTube channel before. I do things that I like to do, and I like to share them with you guys. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. You guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.